Hi, welcome to 89 South Willow Creek Court. This beautiful home is located in the community of the Springs. There are waterways and lakes just up the road. Right outside this wall, there's a walking path, bike path right along the canal. And in this community, you'll also have tennis courts, a community swimming pool, and many other features. This beautiful kitchen area is amazing. First off, you're gonna love the stainless steel appliances, beautiful kitchen sink, nice countertops. The refrigerator, the microwave, and the oven are included with the purchase of the home. There's also a perfect eating area. This home is just under 2,000 square feet at 1888. You'll see we have a huge great room, vaulted ceilings, beautiful windows up top. As you come out of the master bedroom, right off the side here is this little half bath for your guests or anyone on the first floor. In this amazing split floor plan, the master bedroom is downstairs. Up here you have 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom.